The teachers here are phenomenally knowledgeable. They don't seem to feel overwhelmed with all the questions we have and are very kind and take the time to give you the information that you want, plus more. Really thankful for their guidance, supporting us as humans in this way of like, you can do this, like it's not scary. For me as a learner, this class is super helpful because it's all intensive and you're fully immersed in it. Just reading online or looking at things online can be overwhelming, and it's put in such a great way here at the course that it feels obtainable, and like I can go do this at my house instead of, oh my gosh, I have to figure this out at home by myself. You're also with a bunch of amazing humans who make you feel safe, and everybody wants to learn and grow here, which is awesome. Yeah.